GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GMOE. Manufactured to GMOE specification for fit, form, and function. An ACDelco GM original equipment engine coolant temperature sensor monitors the engine temperature, and is a GM recommended replacement for your vehicle's original component. The engine temperature signal is used by the engine control module to adjust the air-fuel mixture and ignition timing. This original equipment engine coolant temperature sensor has been manufactured to fit your GM vehicle, providing the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. Top reviews from the United States. 2016 Chevy Sonic 1.4 Turbo. The photo is of the old one, didn't drain the old coolant, just switched it real quick and used a little speedy dry. The new part fit perfectly, just as expected from ACDelco.